Let's see the property further. If a number is divisible by each of the two or more co-prime numbers, then it is also divisible by their product. What does this mean? Let's take any number, and if that number is divisible by its co-prime, it could be 2 co-prime, 3, then if it has to be 2, then only you can find the product. 2 or more co-primes, if the numbers it is divisible are co-primes, then जो उसका product होगा, the number will be divisible by that product also. Try and understand this. I'll take the example given in the book only. It is 6, 3, 1, 2. 6, 3, 1, 2. It is divisible. 6, 3, 1, 2 is divisible by 3. Let's see. 6 plus 3. Applying the divisibility rule, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6, 3, 1, 2 is divisible by 3. 6, 3, 1, 2 is divisible by 4 because it's 1, 2, 12 and 12 is divisible. So 6, 3, 1, 2 is divisible by 3 as well as 4. 3 and 4 are co-prime because they have 1 as common factor. 3 and 4 are co-prime as they have 1 as common factor. So according to the rule, it should be that the product of 3 and 4 is what? 12. As 3 and 4 are co-prime, so the number which is divisible by 3 as well as 4 should also be divisible by the product of those two numbers. It will only be in the case of co-prime. If the numbers are not co-prime, it will not be divisible. Fine. Now let's see same 6, 3, 1, 2. It's divisible by 6 and 8. 6, it is prime, it is even, and it is divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 6. 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2 is divisible by 8. You can divide and check if you want. 3, 1, 2 divided by 8. 8 3s are 24, right? 72 and 9. So it is divisible by 8 also. And are 6 and 8 co-prime? No. 6 has factors as 1, 2, 3 and 6. 8 has factor 1, 2, 4 and 8. So is the common factor only 1? No, there is one more common factor, that is 2. So 6 and 8 are not co-prime. They aren't co-prime. So the product of 6 and 8 is 8 6 are 48. So will this number 6312 will be divisible by 48? No, it won't be divisible by 48 according to the rule. Okay, it's not necessary that it is divisible by 48 also. But in case of co-prime, the product what we get after multiplying the two co-primes, that will divide the number which is individually divided by the co-primes.